Hey there, everyone! Today, we're talking about how to keep love fresh. Firstly, plan some surprise events for your partner to heat up your relationship on memorable days. Being honest and open with your partner about your feelings is also important. Remember, love isn't just about feelings. It's also about actions. If you truly care for someone, you'll take the necessary steps to keep that love alive and vibrant. So here's a tip. Don't hesitate to express your feelings of affection toward your partner. They need to feel cherished too. Let's stay positive and keep love alive.
ছুঁয়ে দে আঙুল ফুটে যাবে ফুল ভিজে যাবে গা কথা দেওয়া থাক গেলে যাবি চোখের বাইরে না ছুঁয়ে দে আঙুল ফুটে যাবে ফুল ভিজে যাবে গা